This black ominous screen would mean that I am going to introduce my better half. Come on, come out, you come, Chris.
Okay, I think the clicker's actually broken. Hey everyone, so I hope you've had a great day. Okay. Yeah, it's not working. Well, come back. Okay. Yeah, it's broken. Yeah, what is life? I don't know. What is release? Okay, calm down, everybody. Chill out. So we were actually debating about the road to release, discussing that for Star Citizen, and irrelevant of whether the full feature set is finished or all the content in terms of planets and locations is done. For us, when we think about release, the user experience, the UI, how you get into it, make it accessible, ensure that the gameplay right now is polished. We're not there yet, but we are definitely working towards that. When we hit these milestones, then this will be the core experience and tech that will deliver the vision of Star Citizen. We can go, oh, look at that. Does it go back? Oh, it's working now, so here you go. So the very first one was the ability to be inside an actual fully real, tactile, physicalized ship that has toilets, and we did that. The next was space combat, which was about, okay, I'm going to get in my ship, I'm going to fly around, I'm going to dogfight. 64-bit floating precision, and 32-bit precision just doesn't cut it. And of course that was, what is wrong with this thing? Then the next key element was the ability to earn money. I can earn some money, I can buy some things, I log off, I come back on, I've still got those things. And that was, click Paul, there you go. Then the next big milestone that we needed to solve, which, I don't know why we've gone, go back? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'll say go forward, and then you go forward. Just wait for me to say go forward. Was first and third, it's going to be an MMO with thousands of people. Also, where our guns actually aim is where the gun is really aiming. So we did it. Let's go forward. And that was really kind of what Star Marine was. The next big thing was the planet tech. So you can see the planet, and you can go there. The other big thing was location persistence, which is the ability that you go to a location, you log out, you come back, you're at that location. You're not starting back at where you started before. And the next big thing is object container streaming and binding. We thought originally when we scheduled it out, it was going to take about 6 months. It's been about 18 months. It's been pushed back and pushed back, pushed back. And that wasn't necessarily because we wanted to push it back. It was mostly because it turned out we had to re-engineer most of the game engine itself because we don't know where the player is going to go. And it's complicated because it's multiplayer. I mean, it has stability issues right now because, again, when something's multi-threaded and asynchronous, there's a lot of unpredictability because when two different threads are stepping on each other, it can have unpredictable results. The memory use of Star Citizen was way too high for where we want to be, and we just couldn't fit anything more in. The next big sort of pillar is the ability to either buy or rent ships, and that's because the game loop is essentially going around earning money, but once we earn the money, we want to spend it on something. So the core sort of upgrade loop in the game is really the ships. The ships allow you to earn money and then upgrade, and then that ship will allow you to earn more money and upgrade to a bigger, better thing and do different things. And so that was very important for us to get in. It's going to be in 3.3, so we've got to figure out how we make that work. So let's move forward. You and your friends can create your organizations or groups as small or as big as you want. And then the ability for you to go anywhere in the universe and, me drop this remote on the floor. Doesn't work, so I might as well drop it. There you go, right? So, and then I'm going to walk away, right? I'm going to walk out here, and I decide, oh, you know what, I really want my remote again. And it'll be there, and I can pick it up in first person. And that's a big step for us to be able to do that. And and we're going to, persistence in your hab, so you'll go there, you can see that you can move and interact with the objects. The more you play, the more stuff you collect. You know, if you're a hoarder, then you'll probably want to get a bigger room and space. And the last one, if we go forward, Paul, is server meshing. You know, right now we have about 50 players on a server. With server meshing, we'll be able to get to thousands of players playing concurrently. This universe is a living, breathing universe that changes as players live in it and interact with it. Items, as they get used to get wear, things age. You as a character will age. We're going to have continual feature development. We don't have a particular viewpoint in terms of, oh, that's it, this is where we finish it and we don't do any more work. It will be an ongoing, living, breathing game. And that, I'm not going to give you a date, but but you can watch on our roadmap as we develop it. Speaking of near-term release, 3.3, quite a lot of new ships. So that's that. If we just go forward, we see a lot of anecdotal, frame rate sucks, and everybody's frame rate sucks. You know, PCs are challenging because everybody has a slightly different configuration, and you don't know if someone's Bitcoin mining on the side while trying to play Star Citizen. And we will have live telemetry on 3.3 going forward. So, you know, when everyone's debating, it sucks or whatever, you can just go to this page and see how it's going. Okay, I know you guys were trolling me. Okay, calm down, everybody. Chill out. So obviously, I know there's a few people that care about Squadron 42. Well,
tactical nuke incoming!
It's going really well. I'm really happy with it. We're closing it down. All the remaining features were in content, so we don't have Squadron closed out. So that's going. We're going to publish the public roadmap for you guys in December, all the way to completion of the project. And I'm just going to leave you with something right now.